So, hi Vardhaman. Tell us about your experiences with our consultancy.
I'm coming to Madam Vindora Consultants, Madam. It's good. Actually, Sachin sir is guided very happily. Then my dream is become a doctor. But Sachin sir said very low low amount is required to study in Russia. Then he will tell us, Madam. Then you will go Russia and pursuing MBBS. Then I will come, sir, Madam.
So, like, what are your feelings and how was your process throughout, like, university selection also, and your like visa process also, and all the documentation that was done?
It's very good, madam. All documents is very good. Sir is comfortably done, sir, madam.
And tell us about your feelings, like, how are you feeling right now that you are leaving behind your parents and everything and moving abroad for your education journey?
Very excited, madam. All
So, thank you so much, Vardhaman.